Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's session of On Air with Boss. Today we have Umair Shehzad with us. Today's guest is a powerhouse in the startup ecosystem, a venture builder, innovation strategist, and someone who's been at the forefront of shaping Pakistan's digital landscape. Umair has built multiple startups from the ground up, particularly in the e-commerce and marketplace domains, and was a founding member of one of Pakistan's largest consumer apps, Dil Ka Rishta. An award-winning LinkedIn content creator and recipient of the Best Startup of the Year award, Umair brings a rare blend of strategic insight, startup resilience, and community-driven thinking. He is a proud Beacon House alumnus, and today he's here to share the lessons, pivots, and purpose that have defined his journey. Umair, can you walk us through your journey at Beacon House?
मैंने 2003 के अंदर ज्वाइन किया था क्लास 3 के अंदर एंड देन अप अंटिल क्लास 11 ओ लेवल्स मैंने बीकन हाउस जोहर टाउन से किया. It was an amazing experience to say the least. Those 8 years I have been sort of very, very instrumental, I would say. So I would say those were foundational years, not only in terms of my professional career, but then personal relationships, I would say also. So I think those are one of the best years of my life.
Okay, mashallah. What 3 words or phrases best describe your experience in school and why?
I'm not sure about 3 words, but
Okay.
I think एक word to for sure. It was instrumental in how I sort of developed as a person, I would say. I think career, personal life, everything eventually stems down to how you get developed, how you get nourished, आपके relationships कैसे हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि जो foundations हैं वो बीकन हाउस ने ले की थी because I joined in fairly very early, right? So class 3, I was a young student, didn't have any idea about life, relationships, importance of, I would say, a mentor. I wouldn't call them as teachers, वो mentors थे because I still remember the things that they taught us, regardless of whatever they were teaching us, Pak studies, Islamiyat, English, Urdu, maths, were key for us to flourish in our lives.
So, Umair, what kind of student were you? Naughty or studious?
I would say I was a mix of both. I wasn't very naughty, but I would still sort of play with the naughty ones.
A prank that you pulled off in school that didn't get you in any trouble?
I sort of created a fake date sheet.
Okay.
Pre-mock की date sheet को use करके, तब कैनवा भी नहीं होता था, कोई tools नहीं होते थे, हमने उसको scan करके photocopy किया, सब date sheet को entirely 1 महीना हमने पीछे कर दिया. So it turned out to be कि जिस दिन हमने वो print कराया उससे 10 days बाद mocks होने वाले.
Oh my God.
और फिर हमने कहा अच्छा चलो अब प्रिंट करवा लिया है तो उसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा फोटोकॉपी करवा लेते हैं.
Okay.
तो मैं और मेरे दोस्त ने, सो वी वर द ओनली 2 कल्प्रिट्स, सो वी डिसाइड नॉट टू टेल एनीवन. और हमने जाते हुए अपनी क्लास के अंदर कोई आई वुड से 20-30 फोटोकॉपीज लाइक रैंडमली रखती हैं एक टेबल के ऊपर, एंड देन जाते हुए हमने कोई 5-10 कॉपीज ईच इन 3 अदर सेक्शंस, 11 येलो 11 रेड, इस तरह डिफरेंट सेक्शंस थे. आई रिमेंबर एंड हम रख के चले गए और चीज़ें एस्केलेट हुई. पहले एक स्टूडेंट को पता लगा, एक परेशान हुआ, दूसरा तीसरा करते करते हमारी क्लास टीचर आ गई, मिस अफशा एट दैट टाइम. शी वाज लाइक नो ये कैसे हो सकता है, बट देन समवन सेड हे नो, इसके ऊपर तो हेड मास्टर की भी सिग्नेचर है, अब वो हेड मास्टर का सिग्नेचर. सो दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ बिल्ट ऑथेंटिसिटी एंड मोर क्यूरियोसिटी विद इन स्टूडेंट्स. So they figured out someone pulled a prank, but they didn't know who pulled it out. So so headmaster ने कहा कि जिसने भी किया है वो सामने आ जाए, हमें पता लग गया. We got scared, but then we decided no, I think they are pulling a prank on us again.
Okay.
And then 1 month later we went up to our class teacher, Miss Afsha. तो हमने कहा कि मैम वो आपको पता है ये हमने बनाया था. And she's like नहीं वो रियल था, आपको नहीं पता. मैंने कहा मैम हमने ही बनाया था. And no one would buy it कि someone from the students could, sort of execute this.
Would you like to name your partner in crime for the prank?
Yeah, so his name is Sajwar. Sajwar, if you are watching, I had a great time doing this with you.
Umair, if your campus was a person, What zodiac sign would you associate with them?
I'm not into zodiacs, to be honest, but I
Okay.
would want it to be a Leo because I'm a Leo myself.
Okay, ठीक है, awesome. Plain
Yeah.
and simple.
Yeah.
And if your campus life was a movie, what would the title be?
I think Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
What song would best describe your campus life?
It's from Coldplay. It's called Sky Full of Stars.
Do you remember any canteen snack from school that you still crave?
Samosa was something that everyone, I'm sure, कोई भी अगर आप लोगों का व्यूअर करंटली बीकन और जोहर टाउन का है, he would still remember कि हमारे समोसे बहुत अच्छे होते हैं.
Umair, can you tell us about one memory that impacted you for life?
So O-level exams से पहले we had a parent teacher meeting. मेरी उर्दू बहुत बुरी थी. Like मुझे अभी भी याद है, मेरी अम्मी कहती हैं कि तुम पाँव से लिखते हो उर्दू.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो और वो अभी भी यही कहती हैं कि तुम्हारी उर्दू बहुत बुरी है. उर्दू के अंदर my teacher said कि इसका C भी आ जाए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. And that took a toll on me. It pushed me even harder. मैंने मेहनत की, ज़ाहिर है जितनी भी हो सकती थी उन 1-2 महीने में. My mother played a very very important role. उन्होंने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया, पढ़ाया. And then I got an A. तो I think वो एक जो push है, even though it was sort of I would say एक very hard push था मेरे ऊपर कि अच्छा इस तरह की का एक कमेंट दे देना. बट मुझे लगता है कि that played a very important role in how I perceive feedback. तो rather than taking it negatively, I started taking it positively कि नहीं मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. And मुझे लगता है कि throughout my career that has been the case. From working with bosses to, I would say, colleagues, I take feedback very positively.
So this reminds me of a quotation by Karl Marx, and it says, "Men make their own history, but not under circumstances of their own choosing." So bravo for looking at life from a very positive angle, because obviously in different situations, depending on the kind of person you are, we do tend to take criticism bounced our way in a negative capacity, and I'm glad you took it positively and you made sure to get an A grade. Umair, can you tell us how important mentorship is for students nowadays?
I think in the growing age, मुझे तो लग रहा है mentorship is much more important. Because in the digital age जहाँ पे information का influx इतना ज़्यादा है, like someone who could use a mobile phone पे there's so many apps, so information access तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. But then if there's someone who can come in, guide you, mentor you to learn from that information, I think that's fairly handy. आपका career path क्या है? So अब तो career paths भी इतने open हो गए हैं. Back in the day it was just maybe doctor, engineer, or maybe just a business professional. Now you could be a content creator. There's so much that you could do, right? So mentor के ऊपर I would say dependency increasingly develop हो गई है.
Umair, are you in touch with any of your mentors from school?
बिल्कुल. So I am in touch with Miss Zakia. She taught us English. I am still in touch with Sir Tawheed. He taught me maths. This is what I think. I think I have good analytical skills. और वो Sir Tawheed के साथ आई थी. He made it really fun.
Umair, can you tell us how education as an institution has evolved over time?
Not only for, I would say, teachers or educationists, but also for parents, it has evolved. So parents have also started perceiving it differently. Education not only for the child's career growth, but also for their own personal growth also. मुझे लगता है कि जो उसकी perception है एक तो वो बहुत evolve की है. And ज़ाहिर है जब perception change हुई उसकी वजह से how students are being taught, there are new ways to with new, I would say, a digital wave coming in, how AI can sort of evolve things. बीच में pandemic आया, we saw students being taught on tools like Zoom. So digital intervention बहुत ज़्यादा important हो गई है. And then the third is कि what are the new skills that we can teach children? There are a lot more new skills that students ought to be taught within schools. Things like, I would say, coding, for example, AI, for example, digital, for example, content.
Umair, what's one non-academic learning that you acquired from Beacon House?
To try out different things. So if one thing is not working, I would try and experiment with it with another thing, right? So अगर मुझे लग रहा है कि फॉर एग्जांपल I've come into a new industry and it's not sort of working out in my career, I would start working in parallel with a new idea, right? I would try and do maybe 8-10 things in parallel with like small little tweaks, try and experiment and see what works. तो वो जो experiment करने की vigor है ना, वो I think was a key learning for me.
Awesome. Umair, can you tell us a little something about your profession?
I am a venture builder by profession, which basically means I build early stage companies from scratch. So उसके अंदर मैंने 3-4 early stage companies को idea से convert किया into a business. One of them being Dil Ka Rishta, it's a matrimony app. So I've been a founding member for that. और वहाँ पर हमने it was just an idea, still remember, we were just a team of 3 and then we scaled it to 6.5 million users.
Wow.
My role is to sort of figure out what's already not been figured out. So this was one of the first in Pakistan. This is a grocery delivery app. We were very early in that. So these are, I would say, new ideas, and my role is to figure out how can we do it.
Awesome. Is there one myth about your profession that you would like to debunk?
So पाकिस्तान में आजकल ये काफ़ी myths चल रही है, which is कि startups पाकिस्तान में fail ही होते हैं, right?
Okay.
And I would say it's not about Pakistan, it's globally. So अगर आप success rate US में देखें, India में देखें, it's quite similar, even though those are progressive markets established हो गई हुई हैं, fundings आ रही हैं. So it's not just about Pakistan or Pakistani founders, it's about how early are we in the market.
Umair, do you have a message for the current students of Beacon House?
Learning is the key to success. If you can focus on learning a new skill every other month, every other quarter, I think it will take you way ahead of any average student. So, पढ़ाई important है, but then साथ new skills develop करना, be it connected to your hobby. So try and figure out what your hobby is, आपका interest किस चीज़ के अंदर है, and try and see what skills can you develop around it.
Thank you so much, Umair, for taking out time from your busy schedule and coming to the session of On Air with Boss. The conversation was truly insightful, and I hope and pray that everyone who's watching the session can learn from your pearls of wisdom.
Thank you so much. I had a great time.
Beacon House Old Student Society, POS, building a community together.